It's gonna be first unboxing video, and here it is. I have two packs which is I have received today, and now I'm gonna show you what is inside this pack. Okay, so here it is. Now I'm gonna unbox this. Okay, so let's see what we will get. And let me give you a hint. These two packs are books. Okay, and the first one, as you can see, here it is. I hope it is visible to you, and it is called the book. The name of this book is How to Win Friends and Influence People. As you can see, the name of this book is How to Win Friends and Influence People, as you can see. And next few days I'm gonna read this book. Okay, and I'll give you suggestions, and I'll give you all the things which is inside this book and how it is important for us and for you all. Like, why do we need to read this book? Okay, so that is the first book, and now I'm gonna read next few days. Okay, and so because of that I will be busy while reading this book, and I'll give you overview. Okay, I'll not explain each and everything which is inside this book. Okay, so let's see, and let's open the second box. Which books inside this box? Okay, so listen. Oh, this is too big, as you can see, but here it is. Let's see which books inside this box. Okay, so let's see how can I open this book. Okay, so here it is. Now I'm gonna, it is too difficult to unbox this. Now finally I did it, and the second book is here. And the name of this book is The Almanac of Naval by Ravi Kant. As you can see, guys, I hope it is visible to you all. And it is second book. And now I'm gonna read next few days both books, and I'll give you overview of these both books. Okay, so why I'm gonna read this book, my friend? Because I always tell to you all, because here our main purpose is like what? Improving our English, and you all are like that, and you all are trying to improve your English fluency. Okay, so that is very necessary for you all to read books. And here, like, listen, if once you'll start reading books, okay, you'll start getting a lot of knowledge from this book, because that is not a wasting of time. Okay, that's, you are improving yourself. And the way I'm gonna read this book, and the way, because I have read almost 3 to 5 books, okay, when I started my journey of English speaking, and here it is. Now I bought this, okay, and now I'm gonna read this book. And because of that, listen, my friend, instead of wasting your time, and just you should try to invest your time while reading books, because that's very important part of our life. And now I have understand this, because this is what I have been doing for a long time, and I enjoy while learning and while reading books. And I highly recommend to you all, you should also read books as much as you can. Okay, because there is nothing like that. And like, listen, what's happening with you all? Like, some people always say like this: whenever I try to read books, at the time, like, I feel sleepy. Why it's happening? Have you thought about that? Why it's happening with every people? Like, whenever they try to read, like, whenever they say like this: I'm gonna read this book, and after completing one chapter, and after not one chapter, after completing 1 or 2 pages, they start feeling sleepy. Why it happened? Because that is the only one reason, my friend. Listen, because you are not curious about learning books. You are reading that book because somebody insisting you, and that's not a right way to read that book. If you're not curious with your own self, then how it is possible for you, my friend? You can't learn that, and you can't understand all the thing. Because just try to have, and just try to gain curiousness for learning books. Okay, and because of that, that's here, and it plays a vital role as well. I'm not talking about only those things. If you're someone who's trying to learn English language, so you should try to read English books, okay, because that plays a vital role in our journey of English speaking. And as well as you will get a lot of knowledge from book, and you can apply in your own life, for your life. Like, how can you become a different person from your society, the way you have been like what living your life. You can change your own life while implementing those things which is like written in those books. Okay, I'm not like suggesting to you all like you should try to only read these books. Okay, I'm not like recommending to you all. You should try to read books from the basic. Okay, because these books are like little bit advanced. Okay, so I'm not recommending to you all. If you are comfortable to read and to understand all the books and all the sentences, okay, so you can simply go and just read this book. Okay, so there are abundance of books you can read and you can gain knowledge. This is not about you only need to do, this is not about only you need to purchase. Okay, so try to understand, my friend, overall what I'm trying to tell you here I'm trying to tell you that like just start reading books, because that's the most important thing you can do for like what for developing your life, or like a what changing your own life. Okay, because it will change each and everything, your thinking capacity and the way you think, each and everything. Because this, listen, I'm gonna give you the overview here, like how what I'll get while reading. As you can see, the name of this book is How to Win Friends and Influence People. This book will teach us like how can we talk with like members, with like any people, so that they can listen, so that they can love to listen us properly. And how should we speak in front of public and those people. Okay, and how can we listen, and how can we like make understand those people who's listening to us. Okay, this book will teach us like this. And the second book is about our financial, okay, The Almanac of Naval Ravikant. Okay, this book will teach us about like financial condition, financial freedom. Okay, and the second is about our happiness. Okay, these two things this book teaches. And now for next few days, now I'm gonna read this book, and after that whatever I'll get, listen, here I'm talking about overview. Okay, like these books like teach us these kind of things, but here is a lot of things inside this book. Okay, and I'll read this book and I'll show you and I'll tell you which is I'll get important for us and for like for me and for you all. Okay, so here it is. Now I'm gonna start this, and that's all. This is what I wanted to share with you all, and I just wanted to make you all understand about like reading books, how it is important for us, for our life. Okay, so here it is. Now I'm gonna read this book, and that's all. So guys, at the end I would like to tell you all, just like keep reading, that's it. If you have time, and so instead of wasting your time, instead of putting your time in any like useless thing, you should try to invest your time while reading books. That's it. Okay, so thank you, my friend. Take care. Bye bye.